We got your back. The short and sweet of the President's reassuring word to General Santos Mayor Lorelai Pacquiao, even as he ordered to restore power services in the hard-hit areas and instructed the DOH, the military, and first responders to secure all hospitals with compromised structural stability and put recovering inpatients there in safe places. Our Charms Espina has more on the government's whole assistance efforts.
Part of the ceiling of the Sarangani Provincial Hospital has collapsed due to the powerful earthquake. Items and some equipment were also scattered across the floor. There is no electricity, and patients are temporarily staying outside the hospital. President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. has ordered authorities to ensure the safety of patients in hospitals affected by the earthquake.
Binigyan diin ng Pangulo na dapat unahing bisitahin ang mga ospital at maghanap ng mga lugar kung saan ligtas ang mga pasyente mula sa epekto ng lindol. Partikular na inutusan ng Pangulo ang DOH sa pangunguna ni Secretary Ted Herbosa at ang DPWH sa pangunguna ni Secretary Vince Dizon na magsagawa ng assessment sa lalong madaling panahon.
The President also directed the Department of Energy or DOE to prioritize power supply for medical facilities.
Ayon sa Pangulo, higit na nangangailangan ng agarang atensyon ang mga pasyente sa mga lugar na niyanig ng malakas na lindol.
President Marcos informed General Santos City Mayor Lorelai Pacquiao that the national government stands ready to address the city's needs.
Gagawin ng pamahalaan ang lahat na makakaya nito upang maibigay ang kaukulang tulong sa mga apektadong komunidad.
President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. has ordered a whole-of-government approach or the collective coordination of government agencies in responding to the effects of the earthquake.
Ipinag-utos ang agarang pagkilos at pagsagawa ng kinakailangang paghanda at pagtugon sa mga apektadong lugar. Binagindiin ni Pangulong Marcos Jr. na kumikilos ang pamahalaan at hindi kailanman pababayaan ang Mindanao sa gitna ng pagsubok na ito.
150 responders of the Philippine Coast Guard were deployed to conduct a search and rescue operation. The Department of Social Welfare and Development has also distributed family food packs to earthquake victims. Emergency cash transfers are also ready for release.
As always, we're already looking for the recovery side. Pinaghandaan na rin namin yung emergency cash transfers.
The Department of Public Works and Highways has inspected damaged infrastructure.
We will be going around also to assess the other roads and bridges na critical.
The Department of Transportation also visited General Santos International Airport. Operations for commercial flights have been temporarily suspended, but government and humanitarian flights are being allowed.
Makipag-ugnayan tayo sa local government units ng Gensan at saka ng Sarangani Province. Sa mga assistance na maibigay natin ay yung mga kakulangan lang ng LGU.
This is Charms Espina for The Nation.